Hey loves, and welcome back to the channel, guys. So in this video I'm going to be doing a quick Amazon YouTube filming haul. I'm going to be sharing with you guys some of the items that I got basically to upgrade my YouTube setup, my YouTube equipment, because 2024 we're all about quality. So if you guys are interested, stick around and let's get right into this video. In case you're new here, hi, welcome to the channel. My name is Kelechi Mbemana, and on this channel, I love to create content that kind of help you create better content. And in this video, I have some items that I'm going to be showing you guys, but also doing like a little bit of like an unboxing because I felt like for the past 3 years, I've not really upgraded my YouTube setup. I've been using the same setup for a while and it has served me well. But I feel like this year, I just wanted to take things up a notch a little bit and really upgrade and invest in my craft, in my content, in my work, basically. So if you guys have been following me on this journey, you know that I always talk about all the equipment, all the gears I use in creating content. But I wanted this one to be like a chill, chit chat, haul video where I kind of like show you guys what I have going on, what I got, why I got it. And maybe in subsequent videos, I'll do a more detailed video. This is dedicated to all my tech girlies and guys who are interested and invested in, upgrading their setup, upgrading their quality. So let's get right into this video. So the first thing I'm going to show you guys, which is an upgrade, is this Comica wireless microphone. Guys, this one is the Vimo C3 and I love it because this is what I'm using to film right now. It is wireless. I use this for my mobile phone. I use this for vlogs. I use this for sit down content like this. So whenever I want the flexibility of moving around without having like interference, I could go far way behind and you guys will still hear me audibly and clearly. And I love this because again, it is very portable, right? It comes in this case like this. You put in the transmitter and the receivers in here, and then this also acts as a case as well as a charging case. It is very functional. You can charge the microphones, all the microphones and receiver using this box. I absolutely love this one. Definitely recommend for anyone who is thinking of upgrading their, audio setup, their camera setup, their, YouTube setup. With this, you can use this for all devices. So you really cannot go wrong with this. So if you like what we sound like right now, then this is it. This is what we're using. So another thing that I got, because I've been seeing this all over social media and as well as YouTube, is this tripod, right? This one is from Neewer. I feel like I have a lot of Neewer products. So this one is supposed to be like an all-inclusive tripod stand. It comes with a monopod, and with this, it is heavy duty. Now, something to know whenever you are creating content or building your setup, if you're going to invest in an expensive gear, if you're buying gears, you're buying cameras, you're buying lenses, you want to make sure that whatever you're putting on it, the tripod that is going to hold it is durable enough. I'll leave the links down to the tripods that I'm using right now and that I got as well. All the links for all these products will be down in the description box, so be sure to check it out. But this one is a Neewer tripod. I love this one because of the versatility. Let me just unbox it for you guys to see. It's pretty versatile, but it's also heavy duty, so I know that it's going to hold my camera pretty strong and pretty well. Let me just take this, open this up. This is what it comes in. I'm gonna do a proper unboxing so you guys can see. But I'm also gonna do like a demo so you guys can also see like how it functions as well. But I got this one because I wanted the option to film like table, when you're doing like table reviews, unboxing, like if you're doing like cinematic shots, you can I'll show you guys what I'm talking about basically. So you can get like different angles with this tripod. I haven't tried this out, but I know that it's going to be amazing. So next up is this tripod, guys. This one is for my mobile content. I feel like I want to go into filming a lot of short form content on my mobile phone, and this one extends up to 6 feet, I think more than 6 feet, and it is sturdy as well. Again, Mobile phones these days are quite expensive. So if you're going to be filming with your mobile phone, you do want to make sure that whatever you're using as a tripod is sturdy enough to hold it. But you can also put it down and take your selfies, record your videos. It does come with a trigger remote, so you can control your mobile phone using the trigger as well. So yeah. Something else that I invested in heavily this year are lenses, guys. I always say this every time. Lenses they are one of the most important things you have to think about when you are creating content. The lens amplifies the body. I don't know how to describe this to you, but the more quality the lens is, the better the camera performs. So if you're thinking of investing a lot of money in gears, consider investing it particularly in the lenses. So if you figured out what type of camera you want to get, also consider the lenses that you're going to get to help enhance the quality of the body as well. So I never advise anyone to film using kit lenses. I don't use kit lenses. I've never really used kit lenses, but they are good, they are functional. So if you are starting off, think about buying a body and then buying a lens that will give you the best quality. Okay, now this one is the Canon 35 RF. It's a Canon RF 35 f1.8 lens. This one is amazing. I just got this one. I got the 3 actually. I got this one. I got the 50mm, which is what I'm recording with, and I got the 16mm as well. I think I've shown you guys this before, but I just wanted to kind of show you again. So in case you guys ask, what are you recording with? I'm recording with the R8, which is another investment that I made, and I'm so excited for this camera. It is amazing. I love the quality. You guys have seen the difference, and it looks good. It's a full frame camera, records 4K 60 frames per second. It does amazing work. I mean, it just looks good and I love it. So that's the camera I'm recording with right now. I typically used to film with the Canon EOS M6 Mark II. That one is also an amazing camera. That is actually my camera B. It's like my B camera. It's what I use for like behind the scenes shots, because again, it is portable. Moving on to an exciting one that I'm so excited for, and it's this one. This right here is the Sony ZV-E10, guys. If you know me, you know that I've been using the Sony ZV-1 for my vlogs, and that's what I've been using for over 3 years. I love that camera. It has served me well. It records in 4K. It is portable. However, it does have its downsides, especially when it comes to battery. This one is the Sony ZV-E10. I'm going to do like a separate video where I kind of unbox this and also try it out and maybe even compare it with my Sony ZV-1 and see if it was worth making an upgrade, an investment. And I'll let you guys know that. Let me know if you're interested in that video, that in the comment section. But I got this one because technically this is supposed to be the best beginner camera in the market right now. And like I said, I've been using my Sony ZV-1 for over 3 years actually, and I feel like we needed an upgrade in terms of the quality of our vlogs and our content in general. So again, this is going to serve as my A camera for vlogging, and the ZV-1 would be my B camera for vlogging. And to complement this one, guys, this one it's me. I got the Sony 15mm G Master 1.4 lens, guys. This lens was pretty pricey. You don't have to get this one if you're someone who is a beginner and you want the best quality lens. Maybe I'll do a separate video on this, but an alternative to this is actually the Sigma 16mm 1.4, and it's also amazing. Now the difference is in terms of the size and the price, and also some other like little specs as well. But again, like I said, this year I really want to hone in on my quality. This one weighs half the size of the Sigma 16mm, but it's also more than double the price. So again, figure out what your preferences are and what you're very key on. And this is going to be my new vlog setup. I do have other accessories I'm going to be showing with you guys as well that I'm going to be using to help create stories as well, but these are going to be like my primary equipment for vlogging, right? So also I got a power adapter as well. The power adapter is for the Sony ZV-E10. I always use a power adapter to record content because I like continuous shooting, continuous recording. I don't like changing batteries, especially when I'm indoor and I'm creating indoor sit down content like this. With this, you just have to connect it to the wall, connect it to your camera, and you're good. You can roll for hours non-stop. Now, in the case whereby I'm outdoor and I'm vlogging, I also got a couple of extra batteries as well, right? So I got the entire accessories for vlogging and for content as well. So with this, I did get about 3 extra batteries for vlogging as well. So this should serve me a great deal of time whenever I'm creating content as well. So yeah, if you're vlogging, definitely invest in extra batteries. You always need extra batteries, at least 2 extra batteries, making a total of 3 batteries, so that way you can easily interchange and maybe charge the others while you are creating, because there's nothing as annoying as creating and then having to stop halfway through your creation process or not even capturing an essential memory, right? I also got a car mount, right? This is a heavy duty car mount because I feel like I'm probably going to be vlogging while driving, or vlogging in the car, or vlogging on an airplane. I want an option to mount this on a surface that can be mounted basically, and this has like a suction cup, so I can put this maybe even in my bathroom, right? And it would work. So this was something that I got because I wanted that flexibility and mobility as well. Next up, this guy. This one is the Sigma 24-70 f2.8 lens, and I got this one for my camera because with this I can easily create like interview style content like this, or I can zoom it in and create beauty style content where I do like my makeup, my hair. So with this, you have versatility. This one, I've been looking at this lens for over 5 years and I couldn't afford it because it is a bit pricey. But now, guys, I'm so excited because we've come a long way, and I feel like I deserve, and we deserve, like, variety. We deserve an upgrade in this in this channel. But yeah, this one is one that I've been waiting for years, and I was so happy to actually get this. So yeah, we're going to be filming a lot of like beauty content with this, a lot of sit down tutorials with this, and maybe interview style content with this one as well. This is my new baby. I love you. Okay, so to pair up with my camera, my vlogging camera, I got this tripod as well. This is like a selfie tripod. It is more sturdy than the one that I have. I do have a selfie tripod as well from Ulanzi as well, but this one is supposed to be more sturdy because of the weight of my camera. Like I said, if you're investing in gears, you want to make sure that the tripod is sturdy enough to hold your camera, right? So this one is sturdy. I'm gonna do like a proper unboxing review and show you guys what it looks like, but this is one that I got right here. How did I even start this content without showing you guys this? Yes! So we got this as a gift actually, and hubby sent this one. This one is the Mac M3. I'm using this one right now, and that's what I'm using to film with and what I've been using for a while. It does amazing work when it comes to editing content, and especially if you're editing in 4K. I used to have issues with my previous Mac because editing 4K, it would be lagging. It would take me like 6 hours to render. Like, it was crazy. But now, something I said last year was I want to be able to be more efficient in my production and operations when it comes to content creation. Wow, that's amazing. And one of the things that held me back was editing, because I would edit and then it would take me the whole day to render and to export. So this one, I now render and export within minutes, and I'm like, what have I been doing with my life? So if you have the M1 chip, M2 chip, you're good to go, because those ones are also fast. However, I didn't have the M1 or the M2. I was using the MacBook Pro from 2019, and it has served me well. So moving on to better. And this one is also the 14 inches, I think. Yeah, this is the 14 inches as well. Yeah.
I also invested in some portable external SSD. These ones are from Samsung and I love them because again they are portable. I use this in storing all my content as well as in editing all my content.
So, memory cards, guys. If you are investing in camera equipment, you do not want to miss out on memory cards. Memory cards are so important, and I bought a couple of memory cards this past month. 128 is my absolute least. I have a lot of 260s, and something I also got was this memory card holder, because this, guys, when I tell you, sometimes I'll be looking for my memory card because once I slot it out of my camera, I keep it somewhere on the table and then it falls off. And if you have kids, you don't want to have it lying around with kids, because my baby always tries to put it in her mouth and I'm like, no, we have to get something to make sure that it is safe and out of reach. So this one is the memory card holder, and this is what it looks like. It just holds a couple of memory cards in about 12, and yeah, so yeah, definitely have this handy. That way you have all your memory cards stored in one case and it is safe and secured, and it's also, you are also organized at the same time. Okay, so next up, we also got an adapter because again, I'm using and I'm filming with the EOS R8, and most of the lenses that I used for my previous camera were EF lenses. So with this, I can use my EF lenses and be able to create content, right? And again, this lens that I got is also an AF lens, the Sigma one. So I need this to make this work for my camera. So if you have an EOS R camera and you want the alternative of investing in a more affordable lens, definitely consider getting this, because with RF lenses are pretty expensive. And to get the equivalent of this for the RF lens, it was almost triple the price. So it was about $3,000 for the RF lens, the 24-70. So yeah, I just saved myself a lot of money and just got an adapter so that way it works regardless. So yeah, definitely think about that. So I got this light as well from Ulanzi. Ulanzi and I are very close. I'm not affiliated with them. It's not sponsored, but I do love their product. I want to say I have at least 8 of their products lying around my house, if not even more, maybe 10, right? So this one is a light. This one is for my vlogging camera because it's very compact. Lighting is so important, and it is also very lightweight. It has the option to change colors, change hues, increase intensity, and this is definitely one to look out for. I'll have a full review that kind of details my setup, my YouTube vlogging setup, filming setup, so you guys can watch and see as well. Yeah, so once I figure all this out and figure out what I want to use for my vlogs, then I would create another video to share with you guys my thoughts. I'll also do a video reviewing the new vlogging camera and the lenses that we got to show you guys what it looks like, if it's worth investing in, and maybe even provide you guys with more like affordable alternative as well, because I do know that starting off as a content creator, it's a lot of investment financially and mentally, physically, all of that. So I like creating content to help you create content using what you already have. But also, I like to share with you guys what I'm using and share with you guys my journey as well. Okay, guys. So these are some of the items that we got for our channel moving forward. And I cannot wait to start creating amazing vlogs with you guys and sharing amazing stories and creating memories for myself and for my babies as well on here, which is one of the things that I like doing and like about creating content. I'd like to know what you would like to see moving forward with some of these. And yeah, if you guys want me to do like budget-friendly haul for mobile content creators, let me know. I want to create content to help you create content. And yeah, I'm all about that. So yeah, if you guys enjoyed this video, enjoyed this haul, definitely stick around with me, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Till then, make sure you stay fabulous and you stay blessed. Bye guys, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.